Welcome. Unlike traditional cars, Teslas don't use ignition keys. Instead, they rely on digital access via the Tesla mobile app, key cards, physical cards with NFC chips, or key fobs, less common. We'll cover how to power off and lock your Tesla using these methods. Understanding these is crucial for security and convenience. To safely power off your Tesla, first, shift into park and engage the parking brake. Then, tap Power Off on the touchscreen located on the center console. Alternatively, open the Tesla app, select your vehicle, and tap Power Off. This puts your car into a low-power sleep mode, conserving battery life. Loading Tesla system. Locking your Tesla with a key card is simple and reliable. The key card uses NFC technology to communicate with sensors on your vehicle. The B-pillar is the vertical support between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. The sensor is located in this area for easy access. Simply hold your key card near the B-pillar sensor and tap it gently. The vehicle will respond with lights and sounds to confirm the lock. For added security, use a double tap on the sensor. This ensures all access points are locked, including the front and charge port. Always keep your key card in a safe place. It's an essential backup if app access fails or battery dies. While key cards and phone apps are the most common ways to lock your Tesla, there are additional methods available for specific situations. While less common, some Tesla models support locking with a key fob. This is particularly useful for older Model S and Model X vehicles. Simply press the lock button on the fob to secure all doors, windows, and the front. Another option is Pin to Drive for temporary guest access. This feature allows someone to drive your Tesla without a physical key or phone. Simply set up a PIN in your Tesla app, then the guest enters the code on the touchscreen before driving. It's perfect for valet parking or letting family members borrow the car. Security is paramount when using Tesla's digital access system. Here are the key considerations to protect your vehicle and account. First, always enable two-factor authentication for your Tesla app login. This critical security feature requires a second form of verification beyond just your password, such as a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. Without 2FA, hackers who obtain your password could potentially access your vehicle remotely. Second, exercise caution when using the Tesla app on public Wi-Fi networks. Public hotspots are often unsecured, making it easier for cybercriminals to intercept your data. This could include capturing your login information or even monitoring your vehicle commands. Always use a secure private network or mobile data when accessing your Tesla remotely. Third, in urban areas, make it a habit to ensure your charge port cover is locked. Electric vehicle charging cables have become targets for theft, with incidents surging by over 300% in cities according to recent reports. A locked cover provides an additional barrier against opportunistic thieves. Finally, while Tesla incorporates advanced security features like secure boot and encryption protocols to protect your vehicle from hacking, these technical measures are most effective when paired with proactive user habits. Secure boot ensures only verified software runs on startup, and encryption protects data transmission. However, no system is completely immune, so staying informed about security best practices is essential. Remember, while Tesla provides robust technological security, your own vigilance remains the most important defense against potential threats. Let's explore troubleshooting common issues with Tesla access systems. If you experience app-related lockouts, ensure your Tesla app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. If your phone battery dies, rely on your key card. If you're locked out due to a software glitch, contact Tesla support for remote assistance. Keep your key card dry, as newer Cybertruck key cards have improved waterproofing, but still take care. Tesla is evolving its access technology with several exciting trends shaping the future of vehicle security and convenience. One major trend is increased app integration. The Tesla app is becoming more powerful, supporting management of multiple vehicles and connecting with smart home systems through protocols like Matter. This allows users to control their Tesla alongside other devices in their home ecosystem. Biometric authentication is another key trend. Tesla is developing facial recognition features that will use the vehicle's cameras to identify authorized users. This technology will provide an additional layer of security beyond traditional methods, allowing for more personalized and secure access. Ultra wideband, or UWB, technology represents the next frontier for seamless phone based access. This advanced positioning technology will allow phones to communicate with the vehicle over longer ranges with greater accuracy, enabling features like automatic unlocking as you approach the car. To take full advantage of these future trends, it's important to stay updated with Tesla's software releases. Over the air updates regularly introduce new access features and security improvements, ensuring your vehicle remains at the cutting edge of automotive technology.